You're watching Market Sense. We've got Nrupesh Shah, who's Executive Director at Symphony Limited. He joins us on the show from Ahmedabad. Mr. Shah, to begin with, if you could just walk us through your sales growth figures in the domestic markets as well as the global markets.
Yeah, in first 6 months, that is July to December 11, our sales growth has been 10%, and in exports it has been more than 30%.
Mr. Shah, you do have a strong global presence also. You're present in 60 countries and export volumes seem to have ramped up. So give us a sense of the kind of numbers that we can expect in terms of export volumes.
Year 10-11, our export volume was 1,27,000 units of air coolers. And in the current year, we expect healthy growth over that. And over and above this, our two overseas subsidiary companies, IMCO Mexico and US, have also significantly added. So in year 10-11, our 34% of the sales was from out of India, and we expect that percentage to be maintained even in current year.
Also, Mr. Shah, if you could just tell us which the large orders that you're negotiating for in the cooling industry are as of now.
In industrial coolers, we have just concluded an order with the OEM of Hero Honda. We have also concluded the orders with couple of large engineering companies, and just some time before in couple of Walmart stores which have come up in Central America, there also centralized air coolers have been installed. That orders have been executed by our subsidiary company IMCO Mexico.
Mr. Shah, there's lots of news going about that you are eyeing global acquisitions. Can you just give us a confirmation on the same?
We are keen to acquire a company globally, either from the same space, or if they can give us an access to dealer or distribution network or markets, especially in North America, Europe and Middle East. But we are not into any active negotiation as of now, but we will like to keep our eyes and ears open on that, and wherever we get a right opportunities, we are keen. But irrespective of that, Symphony is already sailing its 60 plus countries and having good global presence.
Right. Also, Mr. Shah, now just tell us what the strategic motivation for a global acquisition at this point is, and also tell us what the time frame and also what the geography that you would be looking at is.
About time frame, there is no specified time frame. As and when we get right opportunity at a right price, we will be keen. That may be in short term, it may be in medium to long term. As far as geographies are concerned, our preferred geographies are North America, that is United States and Mexico, followed by Europe and followed by Middle East.
Finally, you've recently forayed into Brazil and Argentina as well. Can you just tell us which geography has garnered the highest revenues for you?
Maximum growth still we expect from North America, mainly from United States, Mexico and Brazil.
All right, Mr. Shah, thanks very much for coming on the show and talking to us about the growth outlook really for Symphony Limited. We've run completely out of time on the show. From Avan, me, the rest of the team that put the show together, thanks very much for watching.